What's going on, guys? My name is Joshua Daniel George from Dijs University, and in this video I'm going to discuss with you the industries and niches that you should look out for when promoting products on Clickbank. Which niches and industries are more profitable than others, and which ones should you promote when using Facebook ads. Okay guys, and welcome to the video. So like I said, in this video we're going to be talking about niches, and as you can see here on the left hand side, there's a lot of different categories on Clickbank that you can choose from, and a lot of different products that you can choose from basically, when starting out with Clickbank. So first thing you need to do is obviously go to clickbank.com, and if you have not already got a Clickbank account, then all you need to do is click on that grey button there where it says create account. From there, all you need to do is basically fill out all of your details, make sure your country is available, which almost every country is available nowadays. So click on the country that you are from, and then click create an account, and then from there you can sign in. So I already have an account, so I'll just quickly sign in here, and then from there, once you are signed into your account, you are brought to the Clickbank dashboard, which you can see here, and you can see basically your earnings in the last few days and weeks, and basically how you are getting on in terms of Clickbank affiliate marketing. So from there you can click on marketplace, which is at the right top, and then you can see the same categories as what we saw before. So all of these categories are basically different industries that you can promote products in. We've got everything from arts and entertainment all the way down to travel, and literally like every single type of product that you can think of will be available in some form or another. Within those categories you also have subcategories, or secondary categories if you will, and then inside of those secondary categories you have all the products that are available. As you can see, in terms of the category arts and entertainment, and then specified to architecture, there are currently no results. Now with that said, Clickbank do have new products coming every single day, so this does not mean that there's never going to be any products within that subcategory architecture for arts and entertainment. So what you can also do is click on the little magnifying glass here, and you'll basically just get a drop down of all of the available products. As you can see here, 374 available pages, all with different products to promote. So in terms of the top three categories or niches, if you will, with affiliate marketing, the most popular categories are health, wealth, and relationships. Okay, health, because everyone wants to be healthier, everyone wants to lose weight, everyone wants to be as skinny as possible in terms of fat loss, etc. Everyone wants that six-pack, look muscly, and basically be the best version of themselves, appearance-wise. Then obviously you got wealth. Everyone wants to be richer, everyone wants more money, everyone wants more financial freedom, everyone wants to be able to live life on their own terms, and obviously that is a very it peaks like the emotional aspect of it. So if people see opportunities to earn money, people will be naturally interested in it, because people always want to earn the most amount of money in the least amount of time with the least amount of effort. And that might even be the reason why you want to look into affiliate marketing, because you want to earn money online and you don't want to be working for someone else, you're only working for a boss, and so on and so forth. So because you are naturally inclined to look at opportunities like that, that is why it's literally become like one of the most popular industries, because how tempting it might be to look into something that, like, everyone's done it. Everyone's clicked, like, Googled earn money online, how to earn money passively. Everyone loves that thought of being able to earn money while they sleep. And that is why literally it's one of the biggest industries within affiliate marketing. And then obviously you've also got relationships, because we all want to be liked, we all want to be adored, we all want people like being obsessed about us. And I might not be speaking for everyone, but everyone wants the best relationship with the least amount of effort again. Okay, we are lazy as people, as a generation, as society. We want stuff like everyone wants that low barrier to entry, easy, quick fix, that short-term gratification. That is just how we are as people, and those are basically the three industries that are the most popular with affiliate marketing. Now, with that said, these three industries are also extremely difficult to promote if you do not know what you're doing. Okay, for example, on Facebook you cannot promote any of these three industries. You cannot promote for example betting, you can't promote dating, you can't promote anything to do with I can't say the word because I'll get demonetized, but anything to do with love making, if you will, everything to do with earn money online, business opportunities, anything of those industries I've just mentioned is very difficult to promote on Facebook. So you'll need to do with a different type of flow. You can't directly promote these on Facebook. You need to basically build up I would recommend building up a email list and then promoting those products. So for example, if you want to talk about earning money online, you can promote something about let's say, you can't even say working from home. It's so difficult. Like certain buzzwords you can't use. You basically need to get very, very creative with it. For example, you can't say lose weight quickly, but you can say decrease your pant size, which literally means the same thing, but you're not saying lose weight quickly or lose fat quickly. Okay, from there you can get people to click on it, opt into your email list, and that is when you can bombard them with what you're actually trying to promote. Okay, same goes for relationships, and same goes for earn money online. Okay, so with that said, those are the most popular affiliate marketing categories or niches, but they are also difficult to promote because you need to be careful with how you word them. Same goes for products with a high gravity. As you can see here, Leptox is health, Cinderella Solution is health, both lose weight quickly. The Lost Book of Remedies, I don't actually know what this is, to be fair. Let's see, Remedies, Book of Remedies. Actually, I think this is health. Yeah, it's health. It's I don't know exactly what it is, but it's health. Okay, then we've got let's see what else we've got. Relationships, Secret Obsession, Overnight Millionaires, Wealth. See, all of these top three, like the top three categories, these are the ones that everyone is trying to promote, and you can see in terms of the gravity. So there's a lot of competition. It's difficult to promote, and Facebook do not like it. With that said, we also have different categories on Clickbank. As you can see, we've got everything here. We don't only have business and relationships, etc. We've also got, for example, Ted's Woodworking, which is do it yourself or garden, home and garden. And as you can see, the gravity is still high, but not as high as health or lose weight. So those products are available to promote on Facebook. You can promote Ted's Woodworking, for example, on Facebook, but it's not as popular, it's not as fancy, it's not as enticing as all those lose weight or make money online type of products. Okay, so you basically need to find the balance between products that are allowed to be promoted, products that are popular, and products with a gravity that is decent enough that you can promote them, but not too high whereas the competition is fierce. Okay, just imagine, like, let's say you're trying to promote Leptox, okay, which is got an insane gravity. And as you can see, it's literally one of the most popular products on Clickbank at this moment in time. But you are competing with all these other people that are trying to promote this product as well, which when you are starting out can be very, very difficult and intimidating to basically get in between of those big affiliates trying to also promote that same product. Now, if you try and promote a product that is not as popular and not within those three big categories, it's easier to promote, but the product is not as enticing. Okay, so like I said, you need to find the balance between those two ends of the spectrum. So when starting out, think to yourself, okay, what platform am I going to promote it on? Are you going to use native ads, Pinterest ads, Facebook ads? Are you going to create a blog, etc.? So map that out for yourself first, then decide on, okay, am I going to go for the big three? Or am I going to go for a more white hat flow where you're going to promote something that isn't as popular but is easier to promote? Okay, so that is all I've got for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you got something out of it. Leave a comment down below which category or industry you like to promote in terms of products and why. Okay, subscribe to the channel for more, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.